Hello friends, I am Rajesh. Welcome to our channel Follow Raj. You're watching Ladakh Dil Se Travel series finale episode, and today is the last leg of the Ladakh journey. Today we are heading to Hanle, which is 410 kilometers from Pangong So Lake. In our last leg of Ladakh journey, we are going to explore Rezangla War Memorial at Chushul and the Indian Astronomical Observatory at Hanle. The road towards Hanle goes alongside the magical views of Pangong So Lake. The off-road patch also seems okay when you're traveling in a beautiful paradise. The vista that you witness is simply breathtaking. Nestled between mountains, brilliant hues of blue and green, the waves, the never-ending water, seems like it is a truly last place on earth, the end point of the world. What a stunning view! Simply majestic. Have you seen or heard of stack stones?
मरने के बाद मतलब अपन ये आत्मा आत्मा का बात करते हैं लाइव। हाँ ऐसा कुछ तो इनका इन लोग का ऐसा बिलीव है कुछ इन लोग का ऐसा कुछ बिलीव है। देखना अरे कोई कोई तो देखना यहाँ छोटा पत्थर नीचे और बड़े बड़े ऊपर है, कैसा बैलेंस किया हुआ यार।
Stack stones, or simply put, a pile of stones, where stones are balanced over each other, are a familiar sight all across Ladakh and Spiti. Ever wondered what it means or why is it done? It is said that in Buddhism, this practice of stacking stone is a form of worshipping and also act as an offering to the gods. It can also be a gesture of asking or wishing for good fortune to be bestowed on the stacker and his family. It's time to halt and take some pictures at this beautiful place. It's truly an infinite beauty and the most scenic road in the world. I must say it's a nature gifted place with all natural beauty. Heaven seems a little closer when you are near such a beautiful place. I've fallen in love with this heavenly shade of blue. That's the Pangong So Lake LAC site. This is the same place where the Pangong So Lake turns into Tibet region. No tourists are allowed beyond this point at Pangong So Lake, as this point is very close to the LAC. Like every beginning has an end and every end has a new beginning, there was finally no more sight of the Pangong So Lake as we took a diversion to Hanle, but that did not disappoint us as the route and the view were totally new and surprising yet again. Post crossing Pangong So Lake, we come across few villages such as Pangming, Mun and Merak village, which are equally beautiful as the valley. Finally, we have reached Rezangla War Memorial, which is few kilometers away from Shushul village. This memorial was created in the remembrance of the brave soldiers of 13th Battalion of Kamau Regiment deployed under the leadership of Major Shaitan Singh during the 1962 Indochina War. Major Shaitan Singh and his 114 men paid the ultimate sacrifice to protect the integrity, sovereignty, and honor of India. A big salute to the brave soldiers of the 13th Battalion of Kamau Regiment. Now it's time to head to our next location, the Indian Astronomical Observatory at Hanle. So finally we have reached our last destination of the day, the Indian Astronomical Observatory at Hanle. This observatory, which is located at 14,764 feet, has one of the world's highest located sites for optical infra and gamma ray telescopes. It is operated by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore. It is the current 9th highest optical telescope in the world. It is the best observatory till date. There is a helper guy who explains a bit of it. You don't get to see anything in practical. Let's head to our homestay at Hanle. This is our homestay at Hanle. Hanle is the hidden gems of Ladakh, where the beauty of barren field, pashmina goats and different type of birds can be seen. It's game time, guys. Let's play cricket at the highest altitude and have fun. Such an amazing feeling when you get to play your favorite sport at an high altitude mesmerizing place. Met a cute Ladakhi kid at our homestay and it seems like an angel in the valley. Hanle has the most beautiful star-filled skies with shooting stars, galaxy and Milky Way to be seen if you are here on clear nights. We are quite unfortunate to get a cloudy weather which spoiled our plans of exploring stargazing night. Nevertheless, we at last explored the freezing cold of Ladakh. Our beautiful journey of Ladakh Real Estate Travel series comes to an end. One item on the bucket list done. Thanks everyone for appreciating my work and I hope you continue supporting my work hereafter as well. See you soon in my next travel diary. Goodbye.